In this video, we're going to look at how to create a new Google document. So I'm going to open Google Chrome. We need to go into My Drive. From here, we want to create our new document in our subject folder. The reason why we want to do that is because then we don't have to worry about dragging and dropping and moving it in, and we know that we've stayed organized while starting something new in our subject. So I'm going to select a subject folder and just say 9 Digital Technology. Remember, in previous videos we went over what your folders might look like and what they might say. So they're all going to be shared. So we're going to see the little profile person. What that means is that your folder is shared with your subject teacher. We're going to now to create the Google Doc. So we go New, Google Doc. It's going to prompt you. You're creating this in a shared folder, which means that the person who it's shared with will be able to see it. And that's fine. Create and share. Always title your documents, so it could be right. And now if we want to change the Google Doc to be potentially landscape, we can come into the file section, and when we scroll down we can see page setup, and you'll have the option to create portrait or landscape documents. Here you can also adjust the paper size as well as the header and footer and how much space is between the top and the bottom. You can adjust that here too. And of course your default page color, so what color do you actually want your canvas to be. And then when you make those changes, you could have them set as your default, so whenever you create a new Google document, that's just how it's going to be with all these dimensions. Now let's just say for whatever reason I created the document in the wrong folder. I can select the folder icon up here, which is actually gives me my Google Drive. So this is where the folder was created in my 9 Digital Technology folder. But I can click back and I could select another folder and I could move it here. And it's just prompting me, now you're actually moving this item. I'm not copying it, I'm actually moving it. So you can go, okay. And now I've moved it from 9 Digital Technology to e-learning folder. That's really the basics to get you started using Google Doc. There'll be further tutorials regarding add-ons and using some of the more complicated tools offered in Google Documents. But that's really the start. And of course you've got all your text type tools up the top.